Hello everybody. This is a really important one. This is for cohabitees out there. The number of people cohabiting has increased 20% in the last 10 years. And that's no surprise to most of us. And the majority of people cohabiting actually are blended families, second relationships. So there are children from either side, and then very, very commonly there's assets from either side. And this Labour government have a proposal running at the moment. They've got a consultation running which ends in August with regard to giving more rights to cohabitees. So there is no such thing as common law, by the way. People talk to me all the time about, well, I'm their common law wife. It doesn't exist. If you are not married, if you do not have some form of legal document drawn up, you do not have any rights to anything. So it's important now to address, I think, because this legislation could come in as early as next year. It's important to address what these proposals are. And what they're proposing are enhanced legal rights for cohabiting partners. So that may mean that if you've lived together for over 3 years, you've got a child together, they're proposing automatic inheritance. So currently, if a partner passes away and you're not married, there's no legal right to either occupy the property if there's no valid will in place, or to have any right to any of the capital from that property. So this will change with this new proposal. It's going to create inheritance dilution for people's children. So if a cohabitee's got their own children, if the other cohabitees got their own children, if they've got their own assets that they've effectively brought to the party. If this comes in, and it's looking like it probably will, and we're all being prepped ready for it, this will cause dilution for your children of your assets that you've worked hard for. So it's really, really important now to have, and I talk about it all the time, some structured and robust planning in place. That might be a very specific will with a right to reside and clauses around that and reasons as to what can happen and how long the person can stay in the property post-death. It might be a declaration of trust if you have actually bought a property together, but maybe you've contributed more to that property. Or it could even be a property trust, depending on whether that's prudent or suitable, to make sure that what you've got is boxed off. Now, lots of people are also asking me about cohabitation agreements, and they're better than nothing, but they don't potentially protect assets in the way that we're talking, and you would still need a new will. So please